all over, people. It's over for me. The summer, that is. That's a pretty clickbaity title, isn't it? It's all over. I apologize. Yeah, my summer's over. I'm a teacher. I'm going into my 24th year as being a teacher. So in honor of that, I'm going to try and catch 24 fish. And the 24th fish, I'm going to try and catch a new lifer. I probably have to microfish for it, but it's Labor Day. Kids come to school tomorrow. Be a good teacher. Help those middle schoolers get better at reading and writing, and talk about fishing. You know it. All right, let's catch some fish. Well, right away, first cast in the rocks. Got a little smallmouth bass on this underspin. I gulp a little plastic. All right, let's get him off the hook. You know it. We're on our second species now, rock bass. Gotta love it. Look at this guy. Pretty fish. Oh, there he goes. All right, we're kicking butt. All right, this camera's a GoPro 7. That camera's GoPro 8, and it's being dumb. I've been having a lot of problems with them right now. So I'm gonna put this GoPro on the rock, fish with a set camera setup. I caught 4 on that first hole, but I don't know if the GoPro worked. So I'm gonna try and catch, I don't know, we'll reset the count to 2 because I showed those fish off with the other camera. But yeah, I'm using this little underspin. Yep. Yeah. Woo! Fish number 3. Touch it, it counts. Yeah, smallmouth bass, baby. Let's go. Let's go get the hand wet. Grab it. Little guy. Oh, all right, there he goes. Yeah. Good bite. Oh, there you go. Yeah. Yeah. Baby smallmouth. Baby smallmouth. Got him. All right. 4. Yeah. Oh, nice rock bass. Let's go. Look at that. That's a cool one. Nice. Look at this rock bass. Dude, that's a beaut. Man, beautiful fish. Fat, too. This guy's been eating well. Love it. Love it. Nice. All right, let's let this guy go. Heck yeah. Oh, that was cool. Right in there, right in that pocket. Nice. Yes. Let's go. Look at that. Love it, man. He inhaled it. Got him off. Fish number 6. Nice. Quick 6 fish timeout to tell you my setup. I've got a PC Fun Carbon X2 1000. I love this reel. By the way, if you buy it at pcfun.com, use my code TF15. You get 15% off. I get a cut of it too. Help me, help you, help me. No, I really do love this reel. It's overpowered for, I wouldn't call this ultralight fishing, but light fishing. I put 5-pound braid. Then I've got 15-pound fluorocarbon in case there's something toothy, I can survive it. And then I've got this little underspin with a gulp plastic. The setup is deadly. This is awesome. I am just crushing these creek fish. Maybe I'll just... Yeah! Number 7 rock bass. Got right there in that hole. What's going on, brother? There he is, baby. You ready? You ready? I'm gonna give you slow-mo release. Let's do it. Smallmouth. We got a smallie. Number 8 smallie. Number 8 smallie. Let him go. Nice. Yep. Bluegill. Look at that. We got our first bluegill, baby. First bluegill of the day, baby. Look at that. Nice. I believe we're at 9 now. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Here you go, buddy. Oh yeah, you smacked it. That was cool. Number 10. Ooh, a little smallie. See that one? He smacked it. That was cool. Number 10. Nice. Yeah. Got it. You smallie. 11. Yes. Let's go. We got number 11. Another smallmouth. Up there. Up there. Got a little smallie, baby. Alright. You ready to go, buddy? Back. There you go. We're turning back around. We're walking upstream because I got a bluegill. 12 fish, baby. Is that my second bluegill? Gotta love it. Gotta love it. All right, let's get this guy off the hook. Nice. Yeah. 6 fish timeout. We're heading back upstream now. I mean, I've got some other holes I'd like to try and fish. So maybe there's a chance for a little bit bigger things. Number 13, baby. Yeah. We got number 14, let's move. Yeah, blue got a hole. Oh, there it goes. Right. There we go. Small. Look at that guy. So cool, huh? Here's the plastic I'm using, Berkeley Power Bait. Dude, the thing, I think it's Power Grub. They're tough. Fish hold on 18 times longer. Good luck on through. Yeah, let's see. Oh boy. Hey, that's a nice ride after struggling. It gets really shallow up there again. Alright, there you go, buddy. I'm doing bad keeping track just because I'm all weirded out. I don't have my hat cam. Got the set cam and then the other stuff. I hope that's okay with everybody. Yeah, I'm fishing a hole. I'll show you what I'm doing. So I'm casting right up here and then letting it drift and then reel across to try and catch the fish. Trying to get in that spot and then bring it off and then, you know, hopefully something grabs it in there. And then I also caught the best one right here on this run. That's shallow right here, but I'm guessing he bit right off the seam. So caught 3 through this stretch right here because there's lots of boulders and, you know, shelter for it and then breaks in the water and all that stuff. Look at that. Love it. I believe we're up to 20 now, I think. Here's number 20, little smallie. Oh yeah, that was cool. All right. Treat. Heck yeah. Sweet. Nice. That was cool. Whoa. Hey, buddy. Oh, that's the juice, man. Nice. Look at this guy. Oh, he's got a cut. All right, let him go. River Smalley. Gosh, I love them. River Smalley. Gosh, I love them. They are just the coolest. So cool. Just caught it right by them logs. Right there. Nice. Oh, yeah. That guy smashed it. Oh, look at this rock bass. That guy smashed it. Oh, he inhaled it. Look at that. Heck yeah. There we go. Got it. Love it. There's 23. Creek fishing is awesome, but I want you to understand, half the time you're just watching your feet and trying not to fall over. So, yeah, it's cool when you're fishing, but man, you get some crazy ankle strength from it in these rocky creeks. Holy. I'm still at 23. It's getting dark, and seeing into the water is really how you microfish. You just gotta like stare down and hope for sunlight, because then you can see the little minnows down there. So I'm gonna have to come back another day, which makes perfect sense since, you know, that's what the next school year will be like. So those 23 fish, those 23 fish count for all the previous years. I'll come back to catch that last one. Before we get to the micro fishing, here's a few more drone shots. Man, I love the drone. The quality of video it gets is crazy. He's like too small. Get it. Get it. Eat it. He doesn't want it. He don't want anything to do with it. Alright, let's get over this. I'll set you right there. There you go. You behave. And there's some right there. What about you guys? Want it? Want it? Oh! Got it. Okay, get in. What is that? Is that a black striped top minnow? I don't know. Oh, I just pulled him out. He's not off the hook. See that? There's my black striped top minnow. I've caught one of those already. Oh, we caught you already. Bloop. Darn. You got some black striped top minnows nearby. Got it. Oh, 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 oh. Ah, I got another black striped top minnow. I gotta find other places. I gotta find other fish. I don't know, the minnows that run around in the sand. They went under that tree. They're under that tree over there. And we're gonna go try and catch them. So windy. Are you kidding me? You know what I just caught? Are you kidding me? I caught a largemouth bass. So for this challenge, I've been chasing micros now for a super long time. And guess what I catch? A largemouth bass. I just walked around this whole beach trying to find minnows, and I saw this school of things running all around, and that's what it is. Largemouth bass. I mean, that's cool. It's my PB mini for a largie. But, yeah. Crazy. I'm gonna let him go, and that's the end of this video.